Hi, in this video I will explain about how to write a lambda expression for predefined functional interfaces. In last video I explained about syntax about lambda expression, how to write a lambda expression, what are the rules applicable for lambda expression. And if you did not watch that video, watch it. So in this video I am writing lambda expression for function predefined functional interface. So when you are trying to write a lambda expression, think about it. Which functional interface you are trying to write lambda expression? Why? Because when you are writing code with streams, like we have methods like filter, map, reduce, these are the some methods. Each method is accepting one type of functional interface. So if we have idea how to write lambda expressions for that predefined functional interface, then it will be easy. So that's why I'm saying in this video I'm taking example of function predefined functional interface, right? So let me create a reference for function. Function is from java.util. I'm writing reference and let me create a syntax for lambda expression. So this function is a predefined functional interface which was introduced in JDK8 and it is accepting one argument and it will produce a result. And it have two type of parameters, like one will be the type T, which type of input you are providing, and another will be R. It will provide the what type of result you are expecting from that function. So in this video I am taking input type is string. I will pass string parameter and I am expecting integer type. So now my functional interface is reference is good. Now I am trying to write lambda expression. So it is accepting one argument, right? I am writing that argument element. This will be a like variable name, whatever it may be. You can write it not element, any variable you can write it. So inside this what I am doing, so when I am passing this string and I am returning length of that string. So let me do that logic. And we start to have method like length. So I am calling that length method. So when you are writing this curly brace, you need to write return statement. Then only it will be a valid lambda expression syntax. The line will be only, I mean, if the logic will be in only one line, then the return statement and curly braces are optional. You can remove it. So now this one also valid syntax. Now this functional interface have only one abstract method, that is called apply. So this is the method I need to call now. Function dot apply. This is the abstract method and I am trying to call here lambda expressions. This is the string I am trying to pass. Let me assign to some variable and I am trying to print it. Let me run it. So I am getting that length of the corresponding string. So now you got some idea how the predefined functional interface works with the corresponding lambda expression. So let me change that method one more time, like I am trying to return to uppercase. So in this case, previously I passed input type is string and I am trying to get result type is integer. In this case, I need to modify that arguments. So in this case, again I am trying to expect string. Why? Because whatever parameter I passed, I need to convert into uppercase and I am trying to return it. I mean the function will be returning. Here I need to change the type, return type. Let me run it again. So we are getting right. So this is the concept about function predefined functional interface. Thank you.